Welcome to anyone's kitchen. If you are not afraid to put your air fryer to the test, why not make a pizza with less hassle? The air fried pizzas are quicker, easier, and tastier than the conventional oven baked pizzas. Let's begin with 1.5 cups of flour. Into the bowl, I'm going to add baking powder, sugar, salt, and curd to tenderize the dough. Next, add olive oil and mix all these ingredients together. Add water in small amounts and mix. Now, using your hands, knead the mixture about 2 to 3 minutes until a soft dough forms. The dough has to be smooth and elastic. This dough fits the 7-inch air fryer basket that I have. Since we are using baking powder instead of yeast, you don't need to sit and wait for the dough to rise. Now let's cover and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we can prepare the topping. Season both chicken and sausage with vinegar, salt, and pepper, and give it a good mix. Heat oil in a pan and add the ginger garlic paste. Make sure to keep the flame on low-medium heat. This will prevent the paste from burning. When you get the aroma of the paste being fried, add chicken and sausage to the pan. Add chili flakes and stir well. Cook for 3 minutes just until the chicken and sausage start to brown. Now let's go back to our pizza dough and knead for another 1 minute. Sprinkle some flour on your worktop and place the dough. And then with a rolling pin, try and get it in a nice circle. Go around the edges to form a crust. Make fork holes all over the pizza base. Lightly brush the pizza base with olive oil to enhance flavor and color. Now transfer the pizza base into the air fryer basket and air fry both sides at 200 degrees Celsius for about 6 minutes before putting on the toppings. At this point, we can add our toppings. Spread a sauce of your choice all over the base. Here I'm using a simple tomato sauce. Now place the ingredients you prepared for the topping on the pizza base. You can change these ingredients according to your preference. When you are done, air fry the pizza for another 10 minutes for the topping to be ready. So here is our beautiful pizza and it tastes really good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.